Oh, you got balls. Look at that.
Why won't I play with it? I can't play with it.
You got 2 balls.
It's like, you retard. It's in the thing.
You got
Open it. Open it. Open it.
it.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Get it out.
Like that. Don't take the paper with you. And he's oh.
Thanks.
Can you get him out?
No.
Can you get it?
Boy.
I think he just wants to chew it. We're not. That's gonna last for an hour.
Go,
Go, Booper, go! Go, Booper!
Figure it out. You can do it.
It's like, Daddy, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's
Booper.
stuck. Yeah, right there. No, when the cat throws her ball.
He'll get the squeaker out before he gets it out of the netting.
Those squiggles be stuck in there. Get it.
Jay's like,
holy crap, that's an annoying dog. You want to give with the
There you go.
Yay, Booper!
Don't encourage him.
Get it out. Get it. Get it. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Get it out. Good boy. Keep going. Get it out of there. Get it out. Get it out.
Look, that's squeaky. That's squeaky.
Get it out of there.
I'm blowing up my tooth.
Get it. Come on. Get it out. You want your other toy? Yeah? You want your other gift? Bandit, you got another gift?
I do? Okay. Yeah, I got 2 of them right here. Mine and 2.
Let's see if Mom will give you the other one.
Bandit.
Oh, what are you doing with it down
Bring
there?
it up. Up. Good boy.
Get it. Open it up. What's that? What is that?
He's like, it's a toy.
What is that?
It's a
Oh, look at that.
It's a dinosaur. I can be
Is that a dragon for you?
I can be a knight in shiny armor.
Get it.
It's good. Look at that. You gotta get the tags off.
Squeak, squeak.
Well, we
He'll have that squeaker out in about 2 minutes.
I can't fight. It's falling.
Get it.
That's a cute dinosaur. I mean, not dinosaur. Dragon.
It's a Don't you ever read books?
Oh, where'd it go?
Go back up.
That's a good baby.
Just jump sideways. You got balls and a new dragon.
Oh, crap. Open the balls. Open the dragon wants to say hi. Open up the balls.
He's not even gonna. He's like, you open
I'm a
them up
lazy
now.
dog.
Bandit's birthday, 2012.